Monday.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I have school.
It's okay. So 5 days, Monday to Friday, that's it. And then again and again, bakasyon ka na naman in Grande. Spring break coming.
When is spring break?
Maybe March or April, I think. Careful to ate, tumingin ka muna ate bago ka mag-ano, be. Sige na, be. Hindi yung banat lang ng banat, be. Banat ng banat si ate. Okay, bye, Shine Long.
Bye.
See you later. Bye.
Who's gonna pick me up?
You need to maybe ate somewhere me. Bye. Ayun na si Shiloh. Bye, Shiloh.